Did a little work here. I got a battery that I charged for about 2 hours too long. Yeah, it's skin tight. It's got an aluminum shell. It's filled up with gas. Anyway, this one here is just read low. It was kind of wimpy, so I flopped it out. I don't know, a year ago or something. And so anyway, I'm using those too. I didn't even check the voltage on them or anything, but I did crank it already, and it does turn over. So anyway, yeah, I got to get one more little shot, I think here. One more shot right here, such as that. I already fired it a little bit, so it should go this time. It should go this time, I hope. Yeah, the whole plan is to, I haven't done anything with it since I got home. It's so crooked in the driveway. So I moved a couple things over here. I want to get it over about 12 feet so we're not bogging the driveway so bad. And then we'll go from there. All right, let's see if this hog will fire up here. I rigged up my gas tank again. Give it a smidge of gas. It's in neutral. Pull the gizmo. Oh, baby. I don't hear that sticky lifter at all. I put a little bit of marble mystery oil in it. And anyway, I don't have any water or anything in here, so I gotta quickly move it over there before it heats up. So I'll be back. I was using the brake to do it, so anyway, we got it almost around there now, didn't we? See, we're getting a little smarter. It weighs 22 pounds. This one weigh? 22 pounds. That's right, you gotta know where you go.